Just a day after SP Chief Mulayam Singh Yadav said it was impossible and impractical for 4 men to rape a woman, a gang rape has been reported from the state's capital yesterday. In the latest incident, a 14-year-old girl was abducted and later gang raped by some youth in Lucknow. The incident happened when the victim, who was a Class 8 student, was returning home after her school got over. When she reached the Indira Gandhi overbridge, an SUV stopped near her and she was dragged inside by some youth. The SUV-borne youth took the girl to an isolated spot where she was allegedly gang raped by them. The accused later dumped her in an unconscious state near Lucknow University. After she regained consciousness, she took a rickshaw and reached her home. The survivor, who suffered multiple internal injuries, is now undergoing treatment in a local hospital. Meanwhile, the police has started an investigation in the case and hunt is on to nab the accused.
लड़के आए बस उसपे से कपड़ा डाल दी उसके मुंह पे कपड़ा डालने के बाद जो है आग में पट्टी लगी और उसको खुशबू लगी वो बेहोश हो गई। वो बता रही है गाड़ी में वो घींच ले गए और पीछे से हाथ में वो सब रस्सियां का निशान पड़ा है पैरों में हाथों में।
कितने लोग बता रही है? कितने लोग?
5 लोगों को बता रही कि मम्मी हमको रैप करा गया है।
जो छात्रा से इनिशियल पूछताछ महिला पुलिसकर्मियों द्वारा की गई है। दोपहर का समय था जब वो घर जा रही थी और उसी बीच में कुछ लोगों ने उसको उठाया था और एक व्यक्ति ने उसके साथ बलात्कार किया है। सारे तथ्यों की जांच की जा रही है और अभियुक्त जो भी होंगे उनको हम शीघ्र पकड़ लेंगे।
In another crime from Uttar Pradesh, a 13-year-old girl was raped and brutally murdered in the state's Hardoi district. The postmortem report of the victim has revealed some shocking details. The report says after raping the girl, the accused stabbed into her eyes and private parts with a sharp knife and later strangulated her. The man had shoved her dupatta in her mouth while allegedly carrying out this rape. The incident took place on Wednesday when the girl left her home to buy medicine for her father.
हमारी लड़की की चप्पल मेड़ के किनारे एक पड़ी हुई थी, एक कुछ दूरी पर पड़ी हुई। जब हमें शक हुआ तब हम जोंडी के ज्वार के खेत में घुसा। वहां हमारी लड़की का शव क्षत विक्षत अवस्था में पड़ा मिला। आंखें फोड़ दी, गुप्तांग में चाकू से चीर दिया, मुंह में कपड़ा ठूंस दिया।
नामित अभियुक्त के विरुद्ध लड़की के पिता ने तहरीर दिया है, उसे अभियोग पंजीकृत कर लिया गया है और उसकी गिरफ्तारी के लिए विशेष टीमें लगी हुई हैं। इसी गांव का एक मुकेश नाम का लड़का है जो इस लड़की के पीछे पड़ा रहता था और उसी पे सभी ने आशंका जाहिर की है। पुलिस भी जो साक्ष्य संकलित किए हैं अब तक वो उसी के पक्ष में, हम लोग उसकी गिरफ्तारी के शीघ्र प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
Go across now to Amir Haq, who joins us from Lucknow. Morning, Amir. This is a very tragic turn of events that we have in fact been reporting. 3 cases that we reported yesterday, 2 today, and perhaps the party chief has his own position.
Well, yes, absolutely, Sanket. What we see here is that the more the state government tries to explain its position as regards law and order, the more it goes on to tie itself in knots. And today, in fact, there's a very important discussion pertaining to law and order situation in UP in the State Assembly, because remember the BJP members in the State Assembly had been demanding a discussion over law and order over the last 1 week, ever since the State Assembly started on the 14th of this month. And today will be very crucial because the state government will clearly be cornered, especially with the kind of incidents that we see over the last 2-3 days. And also very embarrassing for the state government is the fact that ever since the SP chief Mulayam Singh Yadav made that statement, that unfortunate statement about 3 days back, defending state government's position over the deteriorating law and order situation, and also trying to explain that 4 people cannot commit a gang rape together. There's an unprecedented spike in such gruesome incidents of gang rapes and rape, especially with minor girls across the state of Uttar Pradesh. We've seen 2 such cases emerge from Hardoi, one from Kanpur, and one a very gruesome at that emerging from SP Chief's pocket borough of Kannauj. So clearly, and also yesterday, there was a very sensational broad daylight gang rape case in which a minor girl was gang raped in a moving car in the state capital itself. So clearly the state government does not seem in a very comfortable situation as far as explaining its situation concerning law and order here.
All right, Amir, many thanks for joining us at this moment. In fact, as the cases of rape rise in Uttar Pradesh, the State Assembly will discuss the deteriorating law and order situation. The BJP and the other opposition parties are set to corner the Akhilesh government in the Assembly. Yesterday's case of abduction and gang rape in the capital, Lucknow, is set to dominate the discussion as the opposition plans to lay siege on the government. The Assembly had witnessed fireworks on Monday too over the issue of law and order in the state. Meanwhile, as per the latest data released by National Crime Records Bureau, 3,467 cases of rape were reported in the state in 2014. Among the states, UP stands at number 3 with maximum number of rapes.